Peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachie. If you've been scrolling through TikTok lately, you've probably noticed the buzz about heavy versus light makeup and the ongoing debate about which suits you better. There are even makeup filters on the app that let you try both looks instantly, helping you decide which one aligns more with your personal style. Now, while this might be a quick and fun way to figure out your preference, let's not forget that makeup is so much more than that. Amidst the TikTok makeup discussions, have you also observed a recent shift among female celebrities? It seems like our favorite East Asian celebrities are shaking things up and saying bye to eyeshadow. But wait, they got mystery that needs solving. Why do some of us, despite mastering the art of intricate eye makeup, end up looking like they've pulled an all-nighter? Meanwhile, others effortlessly rock the natural look and somehow manage to make their eyes pop even more than a full-on glam session. But fear not, because we're about to spill the tea on a little secret that nobody, even the celebrities' makeup artist, seems to have let you in on: the underlying theory of eye makeup. First, there is something to do with the total area of our eye makeup. If you look closely at the picture shown here, do you notice why the left eye makeup appears larger than the right eye, even when the area covered by the makeup is almost the same? The reason lies in the fact that the left eye makeup focuses on enlarging the edges of the eye structure, while the right eye makeup emphasizes enlarging the total area of the eyeshadow. Let's put it this way. Imagine our eye as a small black circle, and consider the total area of our eye makeup as the gray ring around this black circle. You'll notice that the overall appearance of this figure looks larger only when the central black circle is bigger. Conversely, when the central black circle remains the same size, the outer gray ring expands, making the central circle appear smaller. In practical terms, this theory comes to life when we apply techniques like using colored contacts to enlarge the iris. Not only that, by extending the eyeliner, either along the upper or lower lash line, outward, we effectively widen the boundaries of the eyes. This combination creates the illusion of enlarged eyes. For those well-versed in East Asian makeup trends, you'll be familiar with the quintessential elements: double eyelids, lower lid eyeshadow artfully applied to the outer triangle region of your eyes, and a well-executed eyeliner. These essentials are the go-to tools for effectively enhancing the shape of your eyes. And this technique unmistakably aligns with the very principle we are discussing now. So this shows us that heavy eye makeup doesn't always result in larger-looking eyes. It is common that we tend to neglect expanding the central black circle, which is the edges of our eye's structure. Instead, we inadvertently focus solely on enlarging the outer gray ring, which represents the total area covered by eyeshadow. To illuminate our eyes for a brighter appearance, there's a universally applicable formula that works for nearly everyone. Firstly, elongate the eyeliner with a subtle puppy eye effect, ensuring its width is approximately half that of the double eyelid. Extend the eyeshadow beyond the crease around your eye socket, reaching slightly above the crease. Moreover, the width of your under-eye fat contour or the egg yolk salt. These strategic adjustments harmonize the features and contribute to a universally flattering eye-enhancing effect. Additionally, the intensity of eye makeup plays a role in the brightness of our gaze. If you do not have eyes that are large, go for a bright and lively look that enhances the expression of your eyes. And this depends on effectively using color contrast in your eye look. When it comes to eye makeup, layering on heavy eyeshadow colors can surprisingly dull the natural sparkle of your eyes, diminishing the charm and expressiveness. To illustrate this, consider the same figures we examined earlier. Notice that the central circle remains the same size and color in both instances. Yet, upon closer comparison, the circle on the right appears lighter than the left due to the black ring surrounding it. It's a bit counterintuitive, isn't it? Instead of going heavy on the eyeshadow, what truly works wonders is introducing some color contrast. By dialing down the intensity of eyeshadow colors and enhancing the richness of your eyes, you can make them appear deep and radiant, So there's really no need to go overboard with a mishmash of colors. Opting for heavy eyeshadow not only conceals your natural eye contours, but with the stark contrast between the eyeshadow and your eyes, it can inadvertently make your eyes appear smaller and slightly dull. To maintain a visually appealing balance, simplicity is key. Consider using light, earth-toned eyeshadows and incorporating a subtle winged eyeliner for that touch of sophistication. This approach not only highlights your eyes, but also preserves their natural charm and size. Now, for those with naturally gorgeous eye shapes, experimenting with lighter and cooler shades can really amp up the focus on your eyes, giving off an air of individual charm and sophistication. It's all about finding that perfect balance for your unique look. Finally, let's talk about how the focal point of eye makeup can seriously impact its overall appeal. Especially in the realm of Chinese beauty, we've got a thing for that sweet spot of balance and symmetry. If the position and size ratio of your pupils are just right, the iris will eventually take the center stage, creating an eye-catching look that's considered enduring and deep. On the flip side, if your iris seems disproportionately large or small in relation to your eyes, or if the makeup's focal point disrupts the delicate balance, it might undermine the overall attractiveness of your gaze. Adjusting the focal point of your eyes through makeup is like playing a strategic game. It hinges on identifying the direction of your natural focal points and complementing them accordingly. Following the complement in the same direction rule, imagine if your pupils lean inward. Going all out with an eyeliner that screams "look at me" in the opposite direction might not be your best move. To level up that focal point game, we will need to fill an eyeliner at the lower inner corner and apply some matte highlighter to brighten up the upper region of the inner corner and give the inner corner a little extra stretch to keep things balanced and naturally gorgeous. For individuals with pupils naturally inclined upwards, embracing eye makeup that complements this direction becomes key. Enhancing the eyes with a thicker eyeliner and luscious lashes can effectively balance out the upward inclination, accentuating the charm of the eyes. This insight sheds light on why parallelogram eye makeup is deemed the most enduring. It strategically utilizes this principle to maintain the iris centered and ensures a balanced edge and total area of the eyes on all sides. To wrap it up, if you're not feeling like an eyeshadow or false eyelash pro, no worries. Stick to a simple eye makeup routine, tone down the stacking of heavy eyeshadow colors, and keep the natural, refreshing and liveliness of your gaze. This approach is in fact more effective for individuals with lower visual weight. It not only keeps things easy, but also effortlessly chic. If you would like to learn more about eyeshadow makeup techniques that elevate the beauty of your eyes, you can refer to this video. The parallelogram eye makeup that I mentioned just now is in this video too. Just click on the link right up here. In the grand finale of our beauty journey, remember, eye makeup is all about personal expression and tailored preferences. Rather than diving into the complexities of layered eyeshadows, consider the simplicity of using a solo eyeshadow shade for a convenient and natural look. That's all you need to achieve that perfect personalized effect. Now, have you discovered which method best complements your eyes? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.